Welcome to Freelance and Business. My name is Cheptioy Mutai. In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should not sign up everywhere using your email and phone number. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com. Every service site you visit nowadays requires that you sign up with your phone number or email address in order to make a purchase or access full features. The same applies to apps, both mobile and desktop. When you download it, they'll ask you to sign in or sign up in order to start using the app. In other words, it's really hard to get any online service without signing up. What many people fail to ask themselves deeply is, do I really need this product to sign up? That's exactly where the real catch lies. They use sophisticated English jargons to hide the reason from you, the potential user. Many people take things for granted and blindly gives out their private contact information in exchange for a free service or a free trial if it's an application. So what is the hidden catch I'm talking about here? Normally, when signing up on a website or an app, you are required to provide full names, email address or phone number, and a password. Some websites may require that you tell them more about yourself depending on the service you are seeking. Once you do that, before you proceed and click on the sign up, just before the sign up button is a sentence in small font. The sentence says, click on the box to accept our terms of service and privacy policy. Some sites even don't have a checkbox. It's just a warning saying, by joining, you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Honestly, nobody would want to take their time to click on the link and read the terms of service and privacy policy. Clicking on the button confirms that you've read and understood everything and you accept. Why is it important to read and understand the terms of service and privacy policy? The privacy policy is a legal document that details how the provider is going to use your email, phone number, and other data that you enter when using the product. How will they use your details? I'll use dating sites to explain the concept of data processing. Let's say you use your phone number to sign up on a dating site. You also take a real picture of yourself for the profile photo. Finally, you add a summary of the kind of person you are looking for. The service provider decides how they use your data. They may sell your phone number, profile photo to other sister dating sites for use in creating dummy accounts. Now, the buyer of your data will use your information as they wish. Also, the provider may say that they are going to access your chats while using the dating app. The data is then used to market the product. At the end, you become the product. That's creepy, right? Now, you see why you need to read and understand the terms of service and privacy policy. Note, the EU General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) went into effect on May 25, 2018. It governs how personal data of individuals in the EU region may be processed and transferred. GDPR is a comprehensive privacy legislation that applies across sectors to companies of all sizes. What to do if you hate reading terms of service and privacy policy? Internet is here to stay. It is part and parcel of our day-to-day life. If you hate to read service providers' terms of service and privacy policy, then don't sign up on anything that requires you to accept terms of service. This is especially if the service is free and they need your private data. There is a lot of flaws within the privacy policy on free services. That is why GDPR was implemented. The common question that serious people ask themselves is, how does free service providers pay their bills by offering free services? This is the same question you should be asking yourself before you click on accept terms and conditions and sign up. Do you really have to sign up anyway? If you really need to use the service, create a different email for signing up on products that you don't wish to read their terms of service. This way, you will be safe from spam and privacy infringement. I don't recommend signing up with your phone number to services you haven't read their terms. You may end up being spammed to a point of completely switching off your phone. Spam is that murky. What happens when you sign up to every product or service with your actual contacts? Apart from spam, you become a main target to marketers. Your phone and email address will be shared among the marketers within the affiliate market space. Most of the affiliate marketers know each other. They buy and sell email addresses within themselves for as high as $1 each. Imagine if someone has 10,000 email addresses, that is $10,000 per sale. That's good money, right? All you have to do is create a free product with flaws and target users to sign up. Most even get up to 100k signups in few months. To demonstrate how smart and cringy some marketers are, they create the longest privacy policy in small fonts that you will give up from reading it. Inside, they use various legal terms to tell you how they are going to sell your data and infringe on your privacy. They know that you will not take time to figure it out, and you accept. That's naive, right? Ask yourself, if I have to sign up, is this a product I intend to use in a long term? Pareto principle of 80-20 summarizes this. 20% of input gives you 80% outcome and vice versa. In short, focus on those things that brings you results. Only sign up if you are going to use the product or service. If possible, sign up for a paid version to seal your commitment. Otherwise, signing up to try without actually using a product is nothing but a waste of your time. Be realistic. Your assignment: go through the marketing emails on your inbox one by one. Start by logging into the sites or applications and close all the accounts linked to your email. You have a right to do this. I'm talking about the apps and websites you signed in or you signed up and have never used the service. This is the most important step in protecting your private data. If you subscribed to a free training that promised to share with you a secret trick to succeeding online, only to end up upselling you, unsubscribe. You cannot keep sucking into their salesy information aimed at manipulating how you think. Isn't that the same as witchcraft that people say it exists? When you're done, you will start experiencing another level of creativity. You have all that you need within yourself to succeed. You will be more focused on your own agenda and not other people's agenda. Until next time, bye-bye and take care. Follow me on Twitter at Jeptioni. Thanks for watching. Looking for professional video production services? Request a quote on www.techtubestudio.com.